JP Morgan once said, the first step toward getting somewhere is to decide that you're not going to stay where you are. So it's not about becoming perfect. It's about making a decision that produces an effort. And when that effort is implemented into your life every single day, that's when transformation happens. Your life will not follow where your mind doesn't lead it. Your body, health, dreams, relationships, or career, whatever it is you want to change or achieve, they all will follow this same process. Strengthen your mind. Reaffirm your focus every day, just like you would practice something you want to get better at. How? By taking your goal and saying it out loud. Be specific. I will stick to my plan. I won't let anything stop me because I want to succeed. I will, I won't, I want. Whatever your goal is, repeat this to yourself 10 times or more every day until it gets stuck in your head, like that song on the radio that's on constant replay and now has become a part of your life. Once you've created your mindset, you'll be astounded at the power you have to motivate yourself to do whatever you want. Say it until you believe it, until you act like you believe it, until there's no internal struggle, until your positive thoughts have eliminated the negative ones. So remember, since you've decided not to stay where you are, move forward with your new outlook on life, and soon you'll be able to look back and see just how far you've come in no time at all. I'm Leanne Kezin, and I'm proof of this message.